and welcome to this nice short little tutorial. I'm Saucy, and today I'm going to be building on what I showed how to do in this video, which is get the document ID and document path automatically stored onto our structs representing Firebase documents. And what we're going to do is first clean up this code so it's more dynamic, and I'll show you a really cool way to dynamically and easily get collections and subcollections from Firebase. So let's get started. Let's create a player struct, which is going to represent a subcollection under team in Firebase. And I also want the document ID and path here on player. Well, this is looking a lot like a protocol, so let's create a protocol for this. Every Firestore document is going to be codable, so we can already conform to that here. And we can also have it be identifiable. And it can always be overridden if we want to use a different identifier. And we put this in an extension because we're not allowed to have default values in the original protocol. And now we make these two structs conform. Protocol, now we can have a dynamic reusable function for converting documents into Firestore documents. It accepts a generic type that conforms to Firestore document and returns an array of that type. There's our function, and we can go ahead and apply that to fetch teams. And a little better naming convention would be this. And now I'm also going to create a function called fetch players. And with this protocol and the fact that we have the document path and ID means we can do something a little more elegant in terms of fetching the collection or subcollection. So I'm going to create an enum. For our collections, we have teams and we have players. And this is going to be a string. Now I know players is a subcollection under teams, so the collection path is not just players, it's teams / document ID / players. But I will show you how we're going to do this. We pass in the collection, and the collection might have a parent. So if we're getting the player subcollection, it might have a parent, which is a team. So to create the path to the collection, first we get the path to the parent document, and then build the subcollection path off of that. And if the parent is not there, then it's just an empty string. So you can see how if we pass in a team here as the parent, we start with that document path. And then we pass in players as the collection. We get teams / team ID / players as the result. There we go. And now we can use this function. And to fetch players, we need to be given a team first. So there's our documents, and then we just call convert documents. Then we can also replace this teams with this method of getting the collection with our new function. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe and comment if you have any questions or feedback. I appreciate it.